Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the Microsoft Teams with the error code CA5004V with the error message. Something went wrong. We couldn't sign you in. If this error persists, contact your system administrator and provide with the error code CAA5004B. So there are various causes for the error CAA5004B. Typical reasons for Microsoft Teams and ability to successfully communicate with its server is poor network connectivity, incorrect or outdated login informations, corrupted data, and software conflicts. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run network and store up troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa troubleshoots, and under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. At dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung Run. So i-click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na troubleshooting has completed. Alright, so after dito, and then close lang natin yan. And then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang tong restart. In hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair or reset Microsoft Teams. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung apps. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung installed apps. And then dito sa installed apps, so pwede kang mag-search dito sa taas, dito lang sa search app, or pwede mo namang i-locate dito. So slide mo lang tong arrow na yan and i-locate natin dito yung Microsoft Teams, okay? Alright, so once na-locate na natin tong Microsoft Teams, and next step, dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So i-click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung advanced option. And then dito sa advanced option, then scroll down ulit. At dito lang sa reset settings, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair. If this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. And then itap mo lang tong repair. And wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. Okay, so repair complete. And next step, if this app is still isn't working right, so kailangan na natin itong i-reset. So i-click mo lang dito yung reset. And this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So itap mo lang tong reset. And wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Okay, so reset settings complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong settings at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo ulit mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Teams with the error code CAA5004B. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.